Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix there's a billing problem with the previous purchase in App Store. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing any kind of billing problem, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app and just make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then go to general, go to VPN and device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Go to language and region, select region and select your own region from here. Go back and then go to date and time, enable that toggle to set your date and time automatically. Go to software update and just try to update your software. After updating your software, just go back and open your app store. Then tap on the profile option at the top right. Tap on your Apple ID and here just verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. Then tap on country or region option from here and you just have to select your own country or region in which you're living or the country or region which you have just selected with your iPhone settings. So for example, I'm going to select this one from here as I have already selected it in my iPhone setting. Just tap on continue option, then tap on agree at the top right. Now here you have to add your payment method. If you don't have any payment method, just tap on none option, then enter your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all just tap on none option at the top right. And your billing address issue will be fixed. You have to enter your street. These are optional, so you can skip them. Enter your postcode. If you don't know about this, you can search from Google. Enter your town, your country, your phone number, your name, and after all, just tap on an option at the top right. And your billing address will be successfully updated to your Apple ID. And after that, you will not get any kind of billing address issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.